Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is search for Google My Business or Google Business Profile. And if you have access to the account that you want to make edits to, you should see exactly what I'm seeing here, where it shows your business is on Google, only visible to managers, and you can see it shows me here that I could view my profile. So automatically, if you're signed into Google and you go to Google My Business or Google Business Profile, you should be able to see this. And once you do that, all you want to do is click View Profile so that you could see where you need to make your changes. Now, if you were to make edits to your products, you see over here under Edit Profile, you would go to Edit Products. And all you need to do is you can add your product. You get to see all your products here that you are selling. You can simply add a product and go through the motions again, which is your product name, the category that you've put there, the product price, the description, the landing, select a photo, and then publish, and you are good. But that's how you can make the edits to your products. And then you can also, as you can see here, edit your services. And we'll go over here, and this is where you make changes to your services. So some of the services were changed based on feedback from Google users or other sources. So because people will go into your Google Business Profile and make changes, and they might take those changes, as you can see here. So accounting SEO might have been the recent one that was made on our behalf. I don't know. But as you can see, these are all the services that we offer, and it shows your previous services that you had, and it also shows your current services that you had, and you can make your edits to your services. As you can see here, you can add a custom service if you want, and you could just see all the services we have here that we have just added. So that's how you can go in and then edit your services. Add to it, remove from it. It's all up to you. It is all up to you. If you don't see a service you offer, you can create your own custom one. And that's what this is for. So, but yeah, very, very cool. But that's how you can edit your service. And in this instance here, it says telemarketing, but we don't want telemarketing. All I'll do again is just click it and it's done. So the simple way to do it is just to go click, and then you see the check mark, and then you're good. And if you don't want it, take it off by simply clicking it again, and it just goes back to the plus sign for you. And in this instance, do we need to save? No, we don't. And so that's how you can make edits to your services on Google Business Profile. I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that's really, really going to make your life easier. Till next time, take care.